seeing the school every day has been so rewarding. Seeing the smiles on those children's faces and the light in their eyes. It's just been such a beautiful experience to be a part of and to be able to be there and give to those children. So I want to thank you all for having us today. Today it was great to hear all the speakers speak. However, speaking is definitely not my strongest point, so for me it was very nerve wracking. But I love what everyone shared, how at the end of the day, it's all about unconditional love. Um, I just want them to listen to their intuition, be guided by their soul, and do what feels right moving forward in their choices.